Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Kongkal Sangma, lembat ki Menteri Sarkar, kentop ruyo ki officer Kajala, bat ki kenhon nong sengkam nakani Kajala. Haka santarik mentau naiwing, arhajar kat kandai. Kila lejingo ia kari Bangladesh, nak bentar lais ngi kenti, nak bentar banwanra ia kajing penklan, ia ke khai kapateng, hapadeng kari Bangladesh, bat kini Kajala Meghalaya. Haka ni kenhon la sentran lang ya Menteri Rangba Kajala deki Menteri Sarkar bakentop yo ba lak kemen remboy uba sengau bahalang dahar bat uba bantai do lengdo ringkat ki officer Sarkar. Ha ka jingkran bat kinong pathai kubor Menteri Rangba Kajala ulai tu bakani ke jingle jingo ye kari Bangladesh kalong banwanra ye ke jinge dei ke bayajan hapadeng kari Bangladesh bat Kajala Meghalaya ha ka khai ke pateng. Nangta ban kentiau ye kayo kakon bat kiwe kilat kamai ki bala ban penem jakpo ye ki pajba jong Kajala Meghalaya. Kamtam kitu ki basong haki benta kapot hapadeng kari India bat Bangladesh.
We are going on a 4-day trip to Bangladesh, and the idea basically is to make and improve our ties with Bangladesh, keeping in mind the different kind of sectors like agriculture, horticulture, power sector, tourism sector, and many other sectors where we can clearly see that there's a very strong collaboration can take place. And right now, India has a trade with Bangladesh of almost $10 billion. And out of this $10 billion, Meghalaya only contributes 0.7% to it. And in spite of having 443 kilometers of border. So therefore, clearly, there's an opportunity there which we are missing out. And our objective in this trip is to meet the farmers, meet the entrepreneurs, meet students out there, tour operators out there, and find out how we could, take advantage of these opportunities. I'm very excited about this trip. We'll be meeting the Honorable Prime Minister, Sheikh Hasina. We'll be meeting the Commerce Minister. We'll be meeting other ministers and officials. And we'll also get a chance to interact with the students. So it's a very exciting trip. We are all looking forward to it. And I'm sure that beyond this also, there'll be many more other trips we will make to Bangladesh to ensure that the relationship and the trade and economics between the two nations prospers.